A little cool out there this morning, but Rob says we got a whole lot colder coming. I'm wondering just how cold.
Yeah, I guess he'll let us know. I think some numbers starting with threes.
Yeah, hopefully that's as low as it's going to go, but I think it's going to be breezy out there to start tomorrow. So when those temperatures really drop and you add that breeze to it, it's going to feel even colder. We should get up over 70 today. After today, 70 is going to be way out of reach. I hope that tomorrow we can get back to 60. Some spots might not. Now, if you're looking for some showers, I do see some activity on that radar off to our north and west. I mean, it's raining okay in Definiak Springs and along I-10 west of Mariana. There are some showers up near Colquitt and near Albany, so they're trying. And with a little bit of luck, some of these can hold together and move across more of our area at times later on this morning. I think by this afternoon, the winds start to change and we start to bring in that drier air, and that's when the temperatures are going to start to go the other way. So likely going to have our warmest period of the day before lunchtime, maybe just shortly after, and then it starts to cool off. We begin today pretty close to 50, which is about where it's supposed to be this time of the year. 49 in Tallahassee, 50 in Thomasville, it's 52 in Valdosta. More numbers around the region span from a 63 in Cross City to that 49 at Camilla. It's 55 in Madison, 56 at Apalachicola. Now the breeze is going to get more pronounced later on today and tonight and still tomorrow, mainly from the northwest. Some spots already starting to notice a little bit of that breeze. Not breezy in Perry or Apalachicola where the visibility is down below 1 mile, so we've got some fog out there as there is just a little bit of moisture in place. Now this boundary is coming through. That's what will shake out a few showers, but the energy with this boundary, like the last couple of rounds, way off to the north. That's why it's not a widespread rain event like we could use. Once we get to the other side, high pressure takes over, keeps those skies pretty clear, I think, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday. Looking real nice for Thanksgiving, by the way. And maybe by Thursday morning, temperatures will start to inch back up a little bit after a couple of chilly starts starting tomorrow. Here's a look at the futurecast. Not super optimistic that we all get wet, but at least there's a shot before, say, lunchtime today. And then on the other side of that, the rain chances are gone and likely going to stay gone for several days. So if we don't get it this morning, and a lot of us won't, no rain coming anytime soon. Small crafts are going to need to use caution. It's going to get breezy out of the northwest, maybe as high as 25 knots. We're doing the low tides this morning first. They'll get started after 9 o'clock. Most of us will be in the 40s and 50s and probably get up over 70 today before the cooler air gets here. Rain chances like 30–40% into the early afternoon, and then they disappear. That breeze perks up, brings in that drier, cooler air. That's what's going to be here, I think, for the next couple of days. Tomorrow morning, not just cold, but cold and breezy, and that will likely prevent those daytime highs tomorrow in many areas from getting much past 60. I think the coldest morning, that's Wednesday, and I won't be surprised if some areas north and west have to deal with some frost Wednesday morning. Something to keep in mind. It does look like it gets a little bit more mild on Thanksgiving.